Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the macros. Um, the macros exists in T-Flex to make a kind of automation of tasks. There are millions of examples, and this works with programming. The programming itself is out of the subject and out of what we intend to teach you under these videos. After all these training videos done, we will try to go a little inside the programming skills, but for the moment it's out of this of the purpose of the videos. I will show you a little how to look and how to set these macros, but not going inside the programming. So to do macros, we should go to Tools menu. We have a function here called Macro Editor, and this Macro Editor opens a special environment where we can make the programming of what we want. Okay. This is an object-oriented environment, so it is, I would say, easy going in the programming. I have on the standard installation I have a sample, and this is organized as you can see with windows. There are a lot of different windows, and some of them have some functions, others have some other functions. This is a code window. We have this side, we have the tools window. Down here we have the output window. We can have also the breakpoints window. We can choose some of the things around here. I can open the breakpoints window also. We have also the possibility to see here the properties window, and we create the programming under this window, and it can be done in terms of code, or if we create forms. For example, I can add a form, and adding a form I can do something like this to add objects, okay, a list box, and on this left side to each one of these objects I can add properties, and after all of these things done, I can make the configuration of the code to this design, if this is correct. Okay. And because the design is one thing, to add functions to the design, it's another topic. After everything it is done sorry, after everything it is done, we should create the compilation, and the compilation will give a result. Okay. And this result will no, sorry, I will close it. Let me close this window, sorry, and this one also. And now, sorry, compile, and okay, it is compiled, and the result was this one here. If we go again and try to probably at this moment compile, okay, it gives the same result. the compilation gives a result of the programming itself. So this is code. We have two languages available. If you go in the properties, we can choose the language, and we have C# and visualbasic.net. And the debug, I can choose the other one. Okay, and now make the compilation. Let's see the result. Let me create a new sheet and now make a new compilation. Okay, and I suppose, okay, did not create anything new. Anyway, the idea in here, okay, no errors. The idea here is to show you only this bit about the environment and where to deal with this. Okay, we have a lot of tools. This is very similar to the environments you may know for the Visual Studio you have from Microsoft. So anyone with these programming skills in both of these languages that we have available in this version should be okay making these macros under Tflex. Again, I hope this is not an explanation about the programming, but again, we'll try to include more information after this course it is done, and we can also recommend some books and some publications about these topics.